Imagine a busy metal fabrication garage in Kotway. Sparks are flying, grinders are spinning, and heavy iron gates are being moved across hard dirt. The energy is high, but proximity to sharp metal and spinning blades creates constant physical risk. In this environment, a single misstep or a tool left on the edge of a table can cause a severe injury in a fraction of a second. A creative space can instantly become a site of an accident. This diagram introduces the 4 core pillars of professional workshop practice: health and safety, first aid, security, and environmental management. Professional designers in Uganda define their skill by the mastery of these 4 interconnected pillars, separating their work from that of a dangerous amateur. Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is your primary defense. Goggles shield eyes, masks filter fumes, overalls protect skin, and boots prevent injury from falling objects. But wear it correctly. Loose clothing will catch in spinning gears, pulling you in. When rules are ignored or accidents occur, you must be prepared to provide immediate first aid. For a minor cut, wash with clean water, apply direct pressure with a clean cloth, and cover with a sterile bandage. Never apply soil or local herbs to an open wound. These carry dangerous bacteria, causing severe infections like tetanus. First aid is meant to stabilize an injured person and stop immediate harm. It is a temporary measure that must always be followed by a visit to a professional medical clinic. Look at this carpentry workshop in Boise. Scan the environment and spot the practices that could lead to an injury. Notice how precarious timber stacks could fall on a worker, and scattered wood offcuts create constant tripping hazards. Workshop waste dumped into the soil flows into local water channels like this one. Pouring chemicals onto the ground poisons the community's water and air. Environmentally responsible workshops seal chemicals in containers for proper disposal. They also recycle wood offcuts and compress sawdust into briquettes for cooking. A designer's responsibility extends beyond the project. Improper waste management damages the health of the community. Workshop security ensures that expensive tools and materials are protected from theft, loss, or unauthorized use. A shadow board is a low-cost visual inventory system. By painting the shape of each tool on the board, any missing equipment leaves a visible shadow, making it instantly clear what has been misplaced. Workshop designers face a dilemma. Open windows vent toxic fumes, but make the room vulnerable to theft. The solution is installing heavy iron burglar bars over the louvers. Toxic air circulates freely, while tools remain physically secured inside. To maintain a professional workshop, always wear your PPE. Stabilize wounds with clean water, use shadow boards to track your tools, and recycle your waste. By mastering these safety, security, and environmental practices, you earn the right to work as a professional designer in any workshop in Uganda.